Learn of ag information. You're listening to our program courtesy of the good folks at D&D Farm and Ranch on I-10 in Seguin. That's ddtexasoutfitters.com. Neighbor, let's take a look at the grain commentary courtesy of John Tuggle, 800-288-4453. After two sharply lower days, corn futures rebounded, closing up 4 cents, but well off of their highs. The funds had really gotten long corn futures of late, and over the last 3 trading days, open interest in the corn market is down about 173,000 contracts. No doubt, heavy long liquidation. Concerns about the global economic slowdown due to the new virus strain is the domestic negative factor of the day in the markets. Export demand and ethanol usage continue to be supportive factors, likely to limit the downside in that corn market. Corpus Christi's Public Elevator and ADM open for Milo trucks this week, 7 to 2:45. Cargill Houston remains closed for maintenance until around December the 10th to the 15th. The Andersons Houston are closed the balance of this week, open Monday 12 to 6. Neighbor, let's take a look at those grain closes. December Chicago wheat, 778.5 up 4 3/4. December Kansas City, 814 1/4, down 4 3/4. December corn, 572, it's up 5. January beans, 1228 1/4, up 11. For help marketing your grains, John Tuggle, 802-TUGGLE. Neighbor, the Lone Star Angus Alliance announces their South Texas Tough 21st Annual Bull and Select Female Sale coming up Friday, December the 3rd, 2021 at 1 p.m. in Hallettsville. 165 plus top-notch Angus sale. 70 coming 2-year-old bulls, 40 yearling bulls, spring pairs, open Angus heifers, fall pairs, commercial Brangus open heifers. Last year, about a third of those bulls were sold for less than $3,500, so you can't tell us that you can't get an affordable Lone Star Angus bull that's South Texas Tough. For more information, contact the good folks at Lone Star Angus, 979-251-1021 or 361-798-6558. Again, 979-251-1021 or 361-798-6558. December the 3rd, that's a Friday, 1 p.m., Hallettsville, Texas. Neighbor, let's take a quick look at meats from yesterday. Pork carcass cutout value, $82.37 in the afternoon. That was $4.33 weaker as each primal was down more than $1. Federal slaughter for hogs, 1.443 million head. Hog futures closed mixed, 15 to 25 cent gains in December and February. That December contract, $73.62, up 25. Wholesale box beef prices, weaker in the afternoon. Choice down by 146, select by 232. Federal slaughter 365,000 head through the midweek session. At the closing bell, live cattle futures were off their intraday high. December live cattle 136 even money, up 12.5. Feeder cattle closed 97 to 162 higher. That January contract 165.82, up 97. Feed yards are consistent at 140 ask. Bids capped at 138.50. Neighbor, there's your meat moves. Remember, neighbors, MG Building Materials has 5 locations. MG in San Antonio's at 2651 Southwest Military Drive. MG in Corpus, they're on Padre Island Drive, 7436 Padre Island Drive. MG Building Materials Uvalde, 2301 East Main. The store in beautiful downtown Kerrville on Memorial Drive, 2202 is the street number. And MG Building Materials in Pleasanton, 1734 West Oak Lawn. Now, I know you can't remember them all, so go to mgbuildingmaterials.com for details. We are on the line with Ken Jordan, Jordan Cattle Auction. Ken, we got a sale in San Saba on Thursday. What's it looking like?
You bet, Larry. About 5 o'clock, we had over, I think, close to 1,700 head already on the yards. They're still lined up. A lot of cattle coming in. I expect we could have around that 2,000 or maybe more. It's hard to say yet. They're lined up, like I said. They have about 250, 275 cows already on the yard, about 30 or 40 bulls, rest of them all calves, yearlings. So it looked like a real good run. The market's been pretty good all week this week, too, Larry, so look for a good deal.
What's going to happen Saturday?
It looks for, we got a great run of cattle, over 3,200. We've been talking about kind of consigned. Got a great group, around 450 pairs, 1,200 bred cows, about 1,100 bred heifers, and 450-something open heifers that are there. And we've already started getting them in, doing a lot of shaping and sorting, and probably late evening or early evening to maybe maybe 6, 7 o'clock. We should hopefully Friday have a runner or together, have it up on our website, or if y'all need one, we'll fax it, whatever. But all the listings are up there too on the website, Larry. A lot of pictures on those groups of cattle too. And so the sale will start at 10 o'clock Saturday. If you can't be here, you can help call us. We'll help you bid by phone, or we've got the live internet deal on Cattle USA. Go to our website and you'll find everything right there, Larry.
And that's
so hopefully we'll see y'all up here on Saturday.
JordanCattle.com, right?
You bet, Larry. That is correct. And that'll be Saturday at 10 a.m.
All right. See you there. Thank you, Ken Jordan.
You bet, Larry. Thank you.
Neighbor, let's talk about PMI, pipe, steel, and fencing. San Antonio, High, Hondo, Kerrville, Robstown, Jourdanton, and Laredo. Contact the Hondo store at 830-426-2912. That's 830-426-2912. Remember, that's PMI, pipe, steel, and fencing, pipemovers.com. We're on the line with Chris Carter, Karnes County Livestock down Kennedy Way. Chris, we always begin by thanking the folks that do business with us each week.
You betcha, Larry. We do want to thank all of you and our buyers. 2 weeks ago, before the Thanksgiving break, we ended up with 868 head of cattle. The market ended steady, but a touch softer on the packer side.
Let's walk the pins.
Number 1 steers 2 to 3 weight, 127 to 181. 3 and 4 is 158 to 205. 4 and 5 weights 143 to $2. 5 and 6 is 131 to 168. 6 and 7 is 122 to 155. And the 7 and 8 weights $1.09 to $1.37. On the heifers, 2 to 3 weight, 131 to 167.50. 3 and 4 is 132 to 159. 4 and 5 weights 130 to 157. 5 and 6 is 120 to 138. 6 and 7 is 114 to 141. And the 7 and 8 weights 105 to 134. We had 10 packer bulls. Didn't have a high yielding bull last week or 2 weeks ago, but other ones brought from 69 up to 77. Had 63 packer cows. High yielding was 60 up to 66, medium 48 to 53, and the low end 34 to 40. We only had 3 bred cows. They brought 850 up to 975, and 2 pair, 1360 and 14 and a quarter.
What you got under the barn for this week?
Well, at the present time, we've got 637 head checked in, and looking for about 800 come sale time. In our count, we've got 70 packer cows, 19 bulls, 2 cows to be palpated, and the rest are yearlings.
Tell everybody how to contact you.
If you've got any questions, please call Waylon Rouse at 361-542-0810 or myself at 210-286-5345. And just to make a note, December 16th will be our last sale of the year. So we've got today and then 2 more weeks. So December 16th will be our last sale.
We appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We're on the line with Stephen from D&D Farm and Ranch. That's ddtexasoutfitters.com. Stephen, I need to weigh a bunch of pigs, and I understand that you've got some deals going on hog scales.
Yes, sir, we sure do, Larry. We're having a fire sale on 58 SX hog scales from W.W. Paul. They are going to come with the beam and poise and 2 bifold doors. Really easy to work. They're running $17.50 right now, Larry.
That's a great deal. Tell us the brand again.
They're made by W.W. Paul.
Tell us how to get a hold of you.
You can reach me at 830-379-7340, extension 161.
We've been with Stephen from D&D. Go to ddtexasoutfitters.com for more information. We're on the line with Klein Spear, Southwest Livestock Exchange Uvalde. How was the Tuesday sheep and goat sale?
Market was good yesterday, Larry. Sure lots of demand out there. We only had about 500. Everybody getting back in the swing of things this week. Those heavy lambs were $260 to $320. The light lambs were $290 up to $4. Those fat ewes were, I'd say, probably around that $1 to $1.20. And those thin packer ewes were $75 to $1. Packer nannies $1.25 to $2. The fat Spanish nannies were $1.50 to $2.05. Those stocker nannies were $2 to $3. Those good cabritos $3 to $3.90. Those lightweights were $3.60 up to about $4.30. So overall, market's been really good and just continues to get better as we go.
What's the cattle sale going to be like Thursday?
We got about 750 on the yard tonight. We're expecting probably around 1,000 or so tomorrow. We've got probably 25 or 30 good Bremer heifers standing here. Somebody needs some, along with some good kind of 3/4 blood heifers as well. So if somebody needs some good replacement heifers, we sure got them tomorrow and should have a pretty good run of calves tomorrow.
Tell everybody how to contact you, Klein Spear.
Call us at the office, 830-278-5621, or my cell phone, 830-591-3241.
Neighbor, this portion of Down on the Farm brought to you by PMI Kerrville, 103 Lafayette, 830-367-7473. PMI, pipe, steel, and fencing. Pipe, valves, or fittings, plates, sheet, channel, beam, culverts, purlins, fencing, and supplies. They now stock new pipe and casings. Find them again PMI Kerrville, 103 Lafayette, 830-367-7473. We are on the line with cousin Brian Linsman from Skeen Cattle Company. Brian, how'd the sale go this week?
Very good, Larry. It's kind of nice. I'm glad we took a week off. It gave the boys time to figure out where they were putting everything, get everything moved around, and the quality was good on the cattle. The stocker cattle were good, $10 better. Packer and cows and bulls, 3 to 5 better. So it's just a little sigh of relief.
Good. Let's walk those pins.
Those 2 to 3 weight steers, $1.10 to $2.02. 3 to 4 weights, $1.43 to $2. 4 to 5 weights, $1.35 to $1.95. 5 to 6 weights, $1.32 to $1.60. 6 to 7 weights, $1.23 to $1.50. 7 to 8 weights, $1.21 to $1.37. When you get to the heifer mates, those 2 to 3 weights, $1 to $1.50. 3 to 4 weights, $1.27 to $1.68. 4 to 5 weights, $1.32 to $2.02. 5 to 6 weight, $1.31 to $1.58. And those 6 to 7 weight heifers, $1.14 to $1.65. The utility and commercial cows from 57 to 75. Top end of the bulls brought 90 cents today. Didn't have much on pairs or bred cows, but middle-aged bred cows brought from 400 to 900, and pairs brought from 400 to 950. So that's kind of the cow and calf market. Sheep and goat market, I'm not an old man, but this is the highest I've ever seen it in my life. Those good nannies from 250 to 370. Kid goats from 390 to 445. The billies from $3 all the way up to $4.50 a pound. You're selling a 200-pound billy, bringing you as much as a 600-pound heifer. Those dorpers, they brought from 185 to 335, with those lambs bringing from 360 to $4, and the bucks bringing from 240 to 290. So just a heck of a deal.
What's going to happen next week?
We're down to 2 sales, and people need inventory. I mean, the grass is still green, the cows are still milking, but at some point you're going to have to shuck them. So I'm kind of anticipating the same thing as this week.
Tell everybody how to get a hold of you.
You can give us a call at 830-379-9955, or you can call me on my cell phone at 830-305-0652.
We're on the line with Sam from D&D. Sam, I've never seen as much Stay Tough fence in my whole life.
That's right, Larry. Right now, we have the largest supply of American T-post and the largest supply of Stay Tough fencing in Texas.
Tell us how to take advantage of all that product.
All you got to do, Larry, is call me at 830-379-7340, and that's for one of our friendly staff members.
We're on the line with Jim Wheeler, Atascosa Livestock, Pleasanton. Jim, how'd the Tuesday sale go?
Calf market was a little better, but the quality was good. And from our last sale before Thanksgiving, I believe we had $1.06 on cows, and they were $1.16 this week. So quite a bit better.
What do you know? Jesus must be coming back. Packers putting money on cows.
Yeah, I think it's because of fat up, I guess.
I guess so. Well, let's walk the pins.
223 steers, 173 heifers, 69 cows, and 19 bulls. Steer side, 2 to 3 weights, $1.40 to $1.85. Heifers were $1.30 to $1.61. 3 to 4 weight steers, $1.60 to $1.83. Heifers were $1.25 to $1.55. 4 to 5 weight steers, $1.45 to $1.80. Heifers were $1.20 to $1.56. 5 to 6 weight steers, $1.30 to $1.69. Heifers were $1.10 to $1.44. 6 7 weight steers, $1.20 to $1.50. Heifers were $1.05 to $1.35. 7 to 8 weight steers, $1.10 to $1.36. Heifers were $95 to $1.15. 8 to 9 weight steers, $95 to $1.15, and the heifers were $80 to $1.
And they had what on the cows?
They had $1.16 this week. Best packer cow brought 71.5. Best bull brought 85 cents. Had a few bred cows. They brought anywhere from 680 to 1,000, and we had a couple little young pairs. Brought 1,100 and 1275.
What do we know for next week?
Next week, I imagine we'll have at least 400, if not a few more. We're liking the market. Some of the calves are a little smaller coming in, and then you're always going to have those people that are going to wait till after the first. Oh, and our last sale will be December 14th this year. We got 2 more sales before the holidays.
All right. Tell us the number.
830-569-2516.
Neighbor, let's take a look at the grains, courtesy of John Tuggle, 800-288-4453. Milo through Corpus Christi in December, March plus 85, 1172. Houston, 1235. Yellow corn through Corpus in December, March plus 95, 666 and a half. Houston, 646 and a half. Hard red winter wheat in December through Houston, March plus 70, 889 and a quarter. And Houston beans, December delivery, January even money, 1228 and a half. 2,597 bales of East Texas, Oklahoma, 1,235 bale of West Texas. Neighbor cotton went from 99.44 to 102.94. So across the 3,832 bales, we had an average of about 101.19. Neighbor, we're not your average news program. We're the best darn farm show in 100,000 square miles of the great state of Texas. No brag, just fact. Neighbor, we'll see you again, same farm time, same farm channel tomorrow for more Down on the Farm. God bless. Take care. See you down the road.